Easy to use, Catalyst software runs on your Windows 2000 or Windows XP network. With a click of a button, Catalyst transports your STL file to the Dimension 3D printer. Your 3D prototype communicates the design's true features to customers, vendors, and other key audiences. Models are ready to use right from the machine. Just break off the support material and you have a working model. No further processing is required. Dimension is designed for use in the office. The system operates quietly, without fumes or toxic materials. Designed to run on your existing Windows 2000 or Windows XP network, Dimension printers take solid 3D CAD to a new dimension. Dimension does more than let you see your design in 3 dimensions. Durable ABS lets you see it in action. ABS won't warp, shrink, or absorb moisture. Dimension's ABS models are so strong and accurate, testing fit and function is a snap. Dimension printers built parts for this portable vacuum. Dimension's durable ABS models successfully operated at full power.